Okay, so T-bar row machine, gagawa tayo ng tatlong variation dito sa machine na to. Okay, so first variation, okay, so wide grip sa bar. Okay, so tapak tayo sa platform para ma-achieve yung wide grip. Start tayo sa shoulder width and then adjust tayo palabas hanggang sa makuha natin yung wide grip. So dito ang placement. Okay, so pag okay na yung handle, up tayo. Okay, so chest out, lean forward, slight bend ng tuhod, and then drop nyo yung shoulder nyo, and then pull papunta sa chest. Okay? And then down, and then pull. Make sure na hindi magbabago yung position nyo. So fix na yan. Okay, so more on arms na lang yung gagalaw. And then next variation tayo. So second variation is underhand na T-bar row. Okay, so underhand, ang placement nito is shoulder width. Okay? So pag nakuha niya yung shoulder width, up tayo, chest out, lean forward, slight bend ng tuhod, and then drop your shoulder, and then pull. Ayan. So observe yung siko, papasok siya sa katawan, and then hindi siya palabas. Okay? Okay, so third variation tayo. So third variation is parallel na T-bar. Okay? So parallel, hawak tayo dito sa parallel grip. Kunin natin siya. And then dito naman, ma-observe nyo na yung siko is hindi siya papasok. So palabas siya. Okay? So same pa rin ang positioning. Slight bend ng tuhod, chest out, lean forward, and then fix na yan. Okay? So drop natin yung shoulder, drop, and then pull. And kung makikita nyo, palabas yung siko. Yan, slow release, and then pull. Okay, so yun yung tatlong variation ng T-bar row. Okay, so again, wide grip, underhand, shoulder width, and then parallel grip.